This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Move the safety catch to the side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge. Depress the clip and disconnect the earth lead from the false pole. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the battery monitor sensor. Slacken the clamp nut and using a twisting motion, pull the negative clamp from the battery terminal. Where fitted, pull up the plastic cover from the positive terminal. Slacken the clamp nut and disconnect the positive clamp from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Undo the retaining nut and remove the battery securing strap. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Locate the battery in the tray with the terminals out the rear. Fold over the securing strap and tighten the retaining nut. Position the positive clamp over the battery terminal. Push it down firmly, then tighten the retaining nut securely. Locate the negative clamp over the battery terminal. Press it down firmly and tighten the clamp nut securely. To prevent corrosion, smear a little petroleum jelly over the battery terminals. Refit the plastic cover on the positive terminal. Push the wiring plug into the battery monitor sensor, then press the earth lead firmly down over the false pole. Detach the support prop from the bonnet hinge and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's securely locked.